Hello soulmate, you're welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make organza rules. So I have my organza here. The organza is 3 yards and this is my sleeve. I'll be attaching the organza, the rules on my sleeve, and this is the base. As you can see guys, this is in form of circle, and here is the facing, is the lining. I'll use it to turn up the base. So let's get started. So this is organza, and actually I bought 3 yards, so I'll be using 1.5 for each sleeve guys. So depending on how you want your the organza to look, the boldness, or how thin you want it to be, you can make it a 3, 4, 5, or you can even make it 8 as well. So when you cut it out, you can still fold it. If you cut it by 8, when you fold it, it will be 4. But here right now I'll be making use of 5 inches. I'll be making use of 5 inches. So when I cut it, it will be 2.5 inches. I don't want it to be that bold or that thin. So I'll now use that 5 inches to get the measurement for others. I just use that 5 inches to get the remaining ones. So I'll continue doing it like this. Then after this, I'll just go ahead and cut it out. I'll continue cutting it until I exhausted all the 3 yards that I bought. Just as you see me doing like this, just use that 5 inches that you measured at the first time to get the remaining ones. Okay, just like this, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and use it and get all the measurements. So, and after I'm done cutting all of them, after I'm done cutting all the organza, the next thing I'll be doing is to join it together, just to bring the end of the other and join it together. I'll just go to my machine now and stitch it and join it together, and I also join everything together to form a very long rope. So guys, I've already joined them together, and then I also went ahead and weave it. As you can see, I've already weaved everything, and this is a very long rope. So the next thing I'll be doing now is just to move over to my sewing machine and plait it, just as you see me doing like this. I just go ahead and plait it. So guys, this is it, just like this. I'll just go ahead and plait it, just as you see me doing like this. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just watch close, look at the video now, and then you understand what I actually meant. So I'll just go ahead and continue pleating it until the whole rope is finished. Yeah. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because we still have a lot of goodies. Yeah, still have a lot of things to learn here. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And that is it. So after I'm done pleating the whole rope, as you can see, it's a very long rope, guys. It's a very long rope. I'll just go ahead and cut it. I'll divide it into two and cut it. So half of it will go for the other sleeve and half of it will go to the other sleeve. So this is the base now. This is the base. I'll just go ahead now and use the facing. Place the facing on top and then sew it round. I just folded the fabric, the first one, and another folding. Then I use 6 inches to get it round. From the beginning to the this thing, I just use 6 inches to get it. That's how to cut a circle this thing. So guys, I'll be using this facing now. I'll sew the two together. Sew the two together and then turn it up. So yeah guys, I'm done sewing it, and what I'm doing now is cutting the excesses, and after that I'll just go ahead and find the center of the base. Find the center of the base, and from the lining part I'll just cut it. From the center of it, just a little slit. Just put a little slit on it, and from that side drag the main fabric out from there. Just watch what I'm doing, and I hope you understand it better when you watch what I'm doing. So guys, I'm done turning it up, and then I'll move straight to I'll use my iron and press it down, press it flat. So this is it, and then I'm trying to get the midpoint, the center of the circle, and from that center I'll just go ahead and make a spiral circle, just as you see me doing like this. I'll continue making this until the whole base is covered with the circle. Just go ahead and do the circle, just as you see me doing, just a spiral circle. You can use half an inch. For here now I'm using half an inch. You can also use one, depending on how full you want your own to be. Okay, depending on how full. So as you can see, I'm done drawing the lines, the circle. So and the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring the organza out, and from that midpoint I'm going to place the organza. I'm going to place the organza right at the center, and then start my sewing. Please, if you are sewing this, be careful. You have to be careful so that you won't make a mistake. Okay, I'm just trying to sew it round, following the lines that I've already drawn. Just trying to sew it round. So guys, this is very simple. This is very simple, guys. Just trying to sew it round. Until the whole lines are covered with the organza. Okay, so this is it. Just trying to sew it round. Wow.